saving victim. Cleanse us by the blood of love. Teach us worship, teach obedience. Lead us into true redemption. For on this day, atonement shall be made for you, to cleanse you from all your sins before the Lord. For the life of the flesh is in the blood. It is the blood that makes atonement. Holy priest and saving victim, cleanse us by the blood of love. Teach us worship, teach obedience. Lead us into true redemption. The Lord said to Moses, take Aaron, that he may serve me as priest. And this is what you shall offer upon the altar, continual offering before the Lord. You shall consecrate the altar. It shall be most holy. I delight to do thy will, oh my God. Thy law is within my heart. Holy priest and saving victim, cleanse us by the blood of love. Teach us worship, teach obedience. Lead us into true redemption. Was wounded for our transgressions, he was bruised for our iniquities. He entered once for all into the holy place, not by the blood of goats and calves, but by his own blood, securing eternal redemption. Without the shedding of blood, there is no forgiveness of sins. We have been sanctified through the offering of the body of Jesus Christ. Us holy in your life, holy priest and saving victim, cleanse us by the blood of love. Teach us worship, teach obedience. and saving victim.